Oh, yeah, is it Gabby?
Snow skateboard. Hell. But not.
That's dope. Yeah, Mrs. Kelly's
Why you clean your house? Am I in it?
Oh, it's a TV show.
If there's something has to last, it's what? Like yours is
Don't say this is in it. Oh,
Yeah, I got you. We got a tar ball. I got a tar ball. Be careful.
He cheats though.
But he's still down there.
Aaron looks so happy.
God, that's how you know your waist is spread. Seriously? Waist is height. You get asked about like what crazy all the time. You have to tell if you're
Accelerator compensator diagnostic results are good. I can't believe it. Those Capricorn folks know how to make themselves a serious accelerator compensator. Serious accelerator compensator.
We lost the let's just do that would put us at 15. Then we lost the years like Andy and Eric.
Oh my god, wait.
Keep it moving, people. We're trying to do work here. Just keep moving.
Gar on the conga.
This is Malta.
Malta, what's with all these people everywhere today?
Hondo is hiring new flight crews.
No experience necessary. No experience necessary? I've got no experience. Why doesn't he put me on a flight crew?
How do I put this gently? I don't think you're flight crew material, Gar.
Come on! I literally just saw an 8-year-old walk by.
Trust me, Gar, you don't want this job. Action, adventure, danger. You faint before leaving the home.
Keep moving, people. Trying to do work here. Keep moving.
Here that is, my friend. My employees love to joke while they work. It's just another benefit of working for